we want to reimagine the way you look at text. Right now, most apps just imitate paper. But what if you could pinch a document to compare distant pages side by side? What if you could swipe the most important things right off the page? This is LiquidText, a completely new way to read and connect ideas. We've reimagined the reading experience. LiquidText uses simple, intuitive gestures to organize ideas, visualize connections, and understand documents in a way that's never before been possible. With LiquidText, you can pull passages and images right out of the document itself, focus on key ideas, establish connections between related excerpts, and group things together in whatever way makes sense. If you'd like context, one tap takes you right back to the source. Documents collapse with a pinch. You can instantly compare separate pages on screen together, or glance at another page without leaving the one you're on. Search for a phrase, and then pinch your document to see an overview of the highlighted results. Write notes in the margin, and then organize them together, connect them, and never lose the source. This is LiquidText. Comprehend more.